Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking your Apple Watch is updated, then open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. You enable Voiceover there. Once you toggle it on, the watch speaks touches and selections. Make sure to adjust the speech rate and verbosity now, because those settings change how quickly you'll hear feedback while navigating. You'll also want to pair with your iPhone for easier typing and rotor setup, so do that next and ensure the watch is charged and on your wrist. Once VoiceOver is active, you must learn the core gestures. Single tap to select, double tap to activate, and two-finger swipe to scroll. Practice those until they feel natural. Next, use the rotor by placing 2 fingers on the screen and rotating them like a dial. This changes what swipes do, such as moving by headings or links. Make sure to customize the rotor items in Accessibility so the most useful options appear first, because that speeds up navigation. Finish by customizing pronunciations and choosing a voice that's clear for you. Go to VoiceOver speech settings and tweak pitch and language as needed. You can turn VoiceOver off quickly via the Accessibility shortcut or Ask Siri, which is handy when sharing the watch. If gestures stop responding, restart the watch, then reapply the VoiceOver toggle. If problems persist, unpair and repair with your iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm Watch OS is current, because many
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.